This video concerns issue 83 on Chestnut. Alright, let's get started. New Chestnut EX1. Okay. I'll close this out, and then I'm opening work EX1 source CLJS EX1 core. Okay, just look at it, and then we're going to just run line rebel. Oops, nope. First, before that, we're going to go into the project. No, then we're going to run line rebel. Give this a minute, or not really a minute, but a bit of time. Sorry, I don't know how to edit videos and all that stuff to make this shorter. Run. Okay. And it's gonna need to be able to build itself before we can really see anything of interest. So I'm gonna let the CLJS part finish. Alright, localhost 1055. So that time it hadn't actually reloaded with the thing, but we're reloading. And okay, yeah, we have no browser REPL, so CIDR connect, localhost, whatever, and let's start up the browser REPL. Which there's a little bit of an error here, but you can actually fix this by doing, let's make this bigger for a second, by doing by doing what Tolman says. So I'm ignoring that, but in a normal project you could fix that error, this little error. Anyway, back to 83. No such namespace. Alright. So, okay, everything's, ignoring this error, everything's pretty good right now. The biggest thing is I can control XSCK, which compiles this namespace, and eventually that finishes, and we're all fine, you know. It just works as per usual. The problem is when I go into another file, like, for instance, abc.cljs, and I set the namespace ex1 .abc, and I def like example nuts, you know. Those are type. Well, I guess they're not actually a type of nut either. But anyway, chestnut. Anyway. I'm gonna go into here. I'm gonna say ex1.abc as abc, I guess. Alright. Now, when I do control XSCK, which is supposed to compile the namespace, so I just did XS, and as you can see down here, it emitted it, right? Which, that's neither here nor there, I'm just pointing that out. But CK, which should compile this, did compile it. Great. Control XE though, that's fine. What the fuck? No, I don't believe this. This has literally not worked like 5. This is the 6th example of this I've written, and it works this time when I record the video. XSCK. XSCK. Yep, sure as hell works. Let's just try abc/example, and let's just compile. Oh no, it doesn't work. Okay, good. I was just like, what the hell? ABC. So let's see. We're in C meta N. We are in browser REPL. Okay. So I mean, is it okay with things in the general sense of the word? XSCK? No, it's totally not okay with that. Is it okay with and the thing that's really annoying is it's just this. It's just this little nothing that causes this not to work. Otherwise, it's fine with it. Well, other than that, yeah. There's something about it's just completely incapable of importing other namespaces, which is okay. So, like, how do you get around this? Well, I guess you don't write any other namespaces, which doesn't seem like much of a solution. The second best thing is you might say, well, it's not a big deal. It's just incapable of actually reading the namespace. Like, I can't control XE, which evaluates this form right here, right? In fact, I can. Or can I? Let's see. Yeah. Oh wait, I can do that one because I've removed it, right? But if I add in that other thing, if I add in this again, I can't evaluate it. Control XE. I get no such namespace ex1.abc. Basically, what I'm saying is this entire required will not work under any circumstance. Either I can neither control XE it and I can't control XCK, that is compile the entire namespace, if I actually include anything outside of this current namespace, which makes it kind of broken, honestly. Maybe I'm doing something wrong that's just obvious and stupid and I'm just tired, which is the case, but this seems like a pretty big deal breaker, honestly. I mean, it does work, oddly enough, in reality. For instance, what did I set ABC to it anyway? I don't even remember. Peanuts, right? I can, in fact, do this. You know, I like, and then say ABC/example. Right? Straight thing. Alright, I can do that. Let's just def it to make it less like which one's which kind of things. I can do this, and that'll work, right? So it clearly can it can in reality see, in some sense of the words, peanuts. That is to say, it can see into ABC/testing, right? If I reload it, it'll work. It's only if or for that matter, it confuses the issue because of the fact that this weasel is like it's reloading the namespace that I'm currently editing in, but it's not reloading the namespace that I've referred to. It makes it a bit confusing to talk about this, but I mean, what should happen here is I should be able to compile this namespace as control XSCK, or just CK. I don't know why it's always, and I can't. And so that indicates that something is messed up here. I guess I should just do it once and just print out the full message in case anyone's curious. So I'm just control XSCK, and I'm just gonna control 1, and this is basically what I got. You know, it's just a giant no such namespace ABC at line 6, blah blah blah, and then control V. A bunch of stuff about this, and Jesus, and I have no idea what this is about. Unexpected token dot. What is this about? I don't know. Anyway, I'm just reporting this is what I'm seeing when I do this, and I hope it's something simple that I'm just totally overlooking. But that is start to finish creating a project, trying to create a new namespace in that project, trying to evaluate and use that new namespace, and it just seems to fall apart. Thank you.